Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering assignment operators in Python 3. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. There are 8 primary assignment operators: the basic assignment operator, the add and assign, the subtract and assign, the multiply and assign, the divide and assign, the mod and assign, the exponent and assign, and the floor divide and assign operators. Let's start with the basic assignment operator. We know from previous videos that this is represented by an equal sign. The purpose of this operator is to assign values of operands from the right side of the operator to the operand on the left side of the operator. Let's assign variables a to 2 and c to 100. This demonstrates basic use cases for the assignment operator. We know that the right operand can also consist of expressions, strings, or anything that can be evaluated to a particular value or series of values that are able to be stored in the left operand. The rest of the assignment operators each follow a similar principle. The operation to perform is represented by the symbol or symbols that are before the equal sign. In short, an operation is performed on the left operand from the right operand, and the value is stored in the left operand. This will be more clearly demonstrated in the following examples. We will start with the add and assign operator. Let's go ahead and perform the corresponding operation by adding and assigning a to c. The solution is 102 because a was added to c, and because c was the left operand, c is the variable whose value is updated. Using the add and assign operator is the same as doing c equals c plus a. The c variable is incremented by a value of a. This same principle applies to the rest of the assignment operators. Let's go ahead and write statements for the rest of the assignment operators. Following the same format we used for the add and assign operator, we have to reassign c to 100 before each new operation because the value of c is modified each time we perform a new assignment operation. And I will go ahead and just cut to the part of the video where I already have this done so you don't have to sit there and wait for me to type this out. All right, now that we have the rest of our operations listed, let's go ahead and run the program. Notice that c minus equals a is 98, which is the same as c equals c minus a. And c times equals a is equal to 200, which is the same as c equals c times a. And this continues so on and so forth for the rest of the operators, as you can see here. And we're done scripting for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below. Have a nice one.